for April 2nd. I'm not there again today because I was not able to get a rental car. So hopefully I will have that by the end of the Tuesday and I can be there Wednesday. So what we're going to do today is create a dot plot. So you have this same paper, just like yesterday. You are going to follow along with me, and then you're going to glue it into your journal. So a dot plot is represented by either X's or dots, okay? And all dot plots have to have a key. So we're going to put a key, and for this, we're not going to decide on our key until we figure out what numbers we are working with. So the first step that it tells us to do is to complete the dot plot. The dot plot. So what we're talking about here is number in each grade. So this student is a kindergartner, so he gets 1 dot. This student is a first grader, so we put a dot. A third grader, a kindergartner, a third grader, a second grader, a second grader, a second grader, a second grader, a third grader, a kindergartner, a first grader, a first grader, a first grader, a kindergartner, a third grader, a kindergartner, and a second grader. Okay. So in order for us to figure out a key, we have to determine whether or not we have odd or even numbers showing on our dot plot. So I'm going to count how many kids were in kindergarten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's an odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's an even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an odd number. And 1, 2, 3, 4. That's an even number. So since we're not working with all odds, we can't say that a dot is worth 3 points or 5 kids. And since we're not working with just evens, we can't say that a dot is worth 2 kids. So we're going to say that 1 dot is worth 1 student. So looking at those dots, how many students are in kindergarten? 5. Yes, so we just completed our dot plot. Check. Now to make sure that we did the dot plot correctly, we need to make sure that our numbers here match the numbers in total here. Okay, so if I add 5 plus 5, that's 10. Plus 4, that's 14. Plus 4 more, that's 18. So if I did my dot plot correctly, I should have 18 kids here. So we have 1 kid, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So since my numbers match, I've got all my data placed into my dot chart, and now I can answer the questions. How many dots represent the students in second grade and third grade? So let's look at second grade. How many kids are in second grade? 5. So I'm actually going to put the number 5 above the word second. And how many kids are in third grade? 4. So I'm going to put the number 4 above the word third. So how many dots represent the students in second and third grade? So how am I going to get that answer? Yeah, we're going to add those together. And 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9 out of 18 kids are in second or third grade. So that's a fraction. Let's look at number 3. Which grade had the most? There's a clue word here. Do you see this S? That means we're talking about more than one grade. They're not asking for a number, they're asking for a grade. So which grades had the most? Well, kindergarten had 5 and second grade had 5. So I'm going to write kinder, Oh, that is horrible. Comma, second. Because they're asking me for a grade and not a number, I'm going to use words. Okay? And the least number of students. Well, there's two classes, first grade and third grade. So first, and third. So we just built our own dot plot using data. All right, so you're going to glue this into your journal. You're going to take a picture of it and attach the picture to the activity so that I can see that you did it. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow, I love ya. Tomorrow, you're only a day away. And I hope I'm there because I'm bored. Bye.